Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can remove someone in your Google Docs. Maybe if you shared your doc with the wrong person or someone doesn't need access anymore, you can remove them easily by clicking on this share icon in top right corner. And here you can see all of the people that have access to this document. So let's say you can remove this guy and he is actually editor, so you can switch this editor to remove access. Now to confirm this, you just have to click on save and it's going to update this access. So if I click on share again, you can see the person anymore. Also, if you shared link to this document, maybe in the past, and you want to make that private as well, there is also option. So you need to change this anyone with the link to restricted. Because if someone has still the link, they can view the document. And if you change this to restricted, there is no way anybody can view it. You can click on done, and this is it. So that's all for this video. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.